Hello friends, in this video we are discussing about Odoo default theme structure. Basically, a website is a very important part of a company which serves multiple purposes. By taking the aid of Odoo website builder, the end user can create stunning websites without much of a stretch. Odoo comes with a default theme structure. It is a very basic theme that provides minimal structure and layout. It is included in the website builder module. Now, let's install the website builder module. Now we are directed to the themes window where all the themes will be displayed. Here we have the default theme. We can also obtain various themes from the Odoo App Store. Now let's choose the default theme. We can also pick the theme from the configuration settings of our website. So this is the home page of our website. If we are using multiple websites, here we have the option to select the website which needs to be edited. And also we have a button new. By clicking on this, we can create new features for our website like page, blog post, events, etc. Here we can see the edit button. We can configure and edit our website pages by using the options from here. Here we can see the headings, blogs, style and options. By using this, we can create the content of our website. Styling options are available for each object and also for the entire page. The style options are shown depending upon the object selected. This all can be added to a website very easily by using drag and drop method. Here we have the building blocks or snippets for our website. We can provide the structure, we can add extra features and also add dynamic content and inner content. Now let's add blog to our website. Here we have banner, cover, text, image, etc. Let's add a cover. Then we also have carousel and let's add a text with an image. We can also add features like comparison, team, references, price list, etc. and also add dynamic contents, form, Google Map, dynamic snippets. And we can add the inner contents like separator, alert, rating. Let's add a rating to our website. We can edit each of the block by clicking on the object. Like we can change the text and also we can change the image, and we have an option for deleting the blocks we have added. And by clicking on each of the object, we can see the style options here. So we can see the options like background, style, transition, speed, height, etc. We can change the background image, like we can add it from our system, and also we can change the background color. Then we can set the height and also we can add scroll down button. And here we can also add the columns, like if you are selecting 2, we can see the number of columns have changed to 2. Like this, we can change the properties of each of the object. And in the case of carousel, we can see that here we can see the number of slides, and we can change the properties of each of the slides. We can change the image, background, the position, filter, width, the quality, etc. And also let's add features to our website. Here we can see we can add multiple features, and also we can edit each of the feature. We can change the color, the background, like this, and also we can change the text, and also we can change the icon of each of the feature. So after editing this, we have the option save. By clicking on the save button, the changes we have made will be saved, and we can see this is our home page, and we have created new contents and styled our web page. So this is all about Odoo default theme structure.